Yo, me say if where me go, Alkaline me here play. Me tap on bar, me hear my ring so on 6 Alkaline before me left. Me go somewhere else, Alkaline. Me there somewhere else, Alkaline.
Up past the cloud. All the family proud. Next sitting out ourselves through everything I'm free, so still there for like crowd.
Alkaline a heavy ghetto youth, biggest motivation. Bob Marley ever tell you this? Fi learn you never too small nor big. Principle that how we grow with. No pussy test man clot up his zig. No fi move, no fi live.
Can't draw we out. So what them talking about?
Don't mind my hair because I just woke up. But can somebody tell Alkaline to have another concert in the UK, please? Like, hello. All
Coulda never program somebody for play with, yeah. If you learn, you never tree small nor big. Principle that how we grow with.
So, after listening to Alkaline's album for about 20 times, and as a data girl, my top 4, I must say, like, that goes really, really hard, because there's a lot of songs that I like. But that goes really, really hard. Masterpiece, Our World, Gonna Blast, As a Matter of Fact. Come here,
Pussy test man clot up his head. No for move, no for late. Make rock song go a best. Get to whatever come on for grade. Don't forget to work so a day. No for move, no for late.
Guys, me think me need deliverance. Because why me a pray? And in a middle of my prayer, for some reason, somewhere in my brain, me start sing, here I know, get low to get. I 2 times me have to stop and ask God to forgive me and start again.
Most of y'all just started hearing about an artist named Alkaline. And as an avid alcoholic vendetta lady from 2012, I had to step in to say this. I love that you guys finally understand what quality dancehall music sounds like. But before the fad begin, let me take it back a little bit. I see some people on here, oh, I've been an Alkaline fan because he sold out the Barclays. Step to the back of the line. Where were you in 2012 with songs like It This, Fake Friend? When we say we take it deeper than the music, you see this? Ever since I've been able to customize a card, I've been better, okay?
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Inside with Nando. You know it's your boss Nando and I building with another episode and another vlog for you, the viewers and the subscribers. So the baddest album on the island and the baddest album out there right now, NPT, Alkaline's album. It's making a lot of waves in the social media space and on the ground because we know say we sit up to the line or the ladies them are going for girl good. But viewers and subscribers, the album I create such an impact in our space right now that I'm loving it so much. The ladies them all are set, them a pray, and it's like wet hole in the back of them head. Hey, I'm telling you, the repetition of some of them songs of viewers and subscribers off of Alkaline's NPT album, it will resonate well with a lot of people. The ones that will like the raunchiness, the ones that will like the good music, so be it, viewers and subscribers. It will go connect with them so well. So viewers and subscribers, we have some things to talk about in another vlogger. We saw where Alkaline did a freestyle with audio exhibition. I think it's in the US, viewers and subscribers. So he did a freestyle with audio exhibition for Different Story. Yo, Different Story is a conscious motivational song. That song left a big too, you know. Not just girl good, you know, because we know we love the ranch in it and we love the slackness. The people in our space of the culture, dancehall and reggae music, they love the slackness. So then we take on to girl good and some of them ranchy song, the wet hole, like when you hear the woman in her intro a while ago say, yo, she need deliverance because wet hole stuck in her back of her head when she pray and she have to ask Father God for forgiveness. But Different Story is a classic already. It's going to be a big song. I hope it's going to be a big song because it has that potential to be a big song. So Alkaline was doing a freestyle Different Story with audio exhibition, and we need to play that and show now, and then we can talk about the man sound clean, same way in the booth a freestyle the song. Yo, bad DJ, bad. And the album is a masterpiece, you know, regardless of who are complaining and who are balling in space about the album or chart. not even say chart, but the album not do no bag of numbers and in a chart up there in the Billboard charts. Yeah, it's not easy to beat Bob Marley, Shaggy and Sean Paul them on the Billboard, and we just did that in 3 days from the 23rd to the 26th. Vendetta fans them go support and buy the album, and the album reached on the Billboard charts. We see a whole heap of artists drop album late last year. We see Cartel, Popcorn, Massacre drop EP. All of them, they never chart, they never sell any, they never did any numbers, any big numbers. So it's a good look for Alkaline, being that my first artist for the year for hit the Billboard. So let's see the rest of artists them if they won't hit the Billboard. But viewers and subscribers, we're going to talk about some things with some people, because me hear a lady share our opinion or our story about when she just started out as a Vendetta fan, because she see everybody a rally around now saying that they're a Vendetta fans because Alkaline going to the Barclays, selling out and so forth. Because you know every day an artist get newer fans and every day somebody turn 18. So Alkaline gather fans on top of fans, and mama say, yo, what on the day when time Alkaline just forward out songs like "Me Feel Like This," everybody have to witness, songs like "Proof," all of them songs there. When the youth just started out, we did Believe in Him career from 2012. So mama say she there on Alkaline from 2012. And yeah, I want to show the clip in the tune so on the ear she has, because she has shared some insightful thing and some deep thing. It sound like say, yo, she was a part of the Vendetta from a long time. All her credit card, she have data, baby pan. But hey, Alkaline fans, them die-hearted pan a different level, you know. But viewers and subscribers, we have some things to talk about in another vlog. The ladies, them, I react to the whole album. And I love it. See, the ladies, them, I react to the album the most. The ladies, them, is like, them take charge in the process of the whole album and way album are going in our space. So viewers and subscribers, me have that for share for you know. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and hit that post notification bell. So whenever I drop a new video, you guys can be the first to be notified. So without further ado, people, make we kick off the vlog like this.
Up past the cloud. One family proud. Make sitting out ourselves through everything I'm free, so still there for like crowd. Can't draw we out. So what them talking about? Coulda never program somebody for play with, yeah. If you learn, you never trace man or beg. Principle that don't grow with. No pussy test man glad to present. No for move, no for let. Make rocks and go a best. Get to whatever come off a grade. Don't forget to work so a day. No for move, no for let. Simple as that. Nobody not gonna ram for the ass a gunshot. We don't even do one of them up and running. Make it 2-2-3 operate. No man talking. Devin judge can't judge way. Good for life. Ratings Fiji them. Go and do it right. Setting what should be up. We carry you down. I try balance out. I just feel no believe you may.
So the DJ out here active, still a put in the work, viewers and subscribers, because you don't know him there on a local promo run right now, because the album just dropped. And you know him a go places, go promote the album and sing the songs them also, viewers and subscribers. So that year 2026 are the best year for Alkaline so far, because right now Alkaline are the hottest thing in our space. And no other year from last year to this year, it's a whole different phase. Last year did hot, you know. Him active last year, show on top of show. Shows on top of shows. But this year, I just songs on top of songs. And the songs them are burn up the place. Alkaline know how to, you know, hot up a place. And him say, him can't fall off because him know him way to the top. And him also say, him can go fast and him can go slow. It's depending on how him go about it, viewers and subscribers. So, 2026. I feel like it's going to be the biggest year for Alkaline, both musically and both show-wise. We see what Barclays Center do. And then him have another show in a Guyana Stadium, viewers and subscribers. So, songs, Pantapa songs, Lady a ball film come back at UK. The lady them a ball film come back at UK. Jaja girl. Alkaline, you need to give UK another concert because they need you there again. But the DJ out and active, viewers and subscribers, put in the work and make the songs them a connect with the people. The people them a love the album. Them a receive the album well. I'm love to see that and more to see more from the DJ because right now, Alkaline the hottest thing right now in our space. That's all me know.
Guys, me think me need deliverance. Because why me a pray? And in a middle of my prayer, for some reason, somewhere in my brain, me start sing, here I know, get low the get. I 2 times me have to stop and ask God to forgive me and start again, you know. And the song still in my head, you know. Me think me need deliverance. Me think me need deliverance from Alkaline. Jesus Christ, man.
Yo, mama, you need to give this song a break, you know. Yo, Jaja God, viewers and subscribers. Repetition is a dangerous thing, you know. Mama listen to the song night and day, so it come like it's stuck in her brain. And it can't erase. Yo, Jaja God, forgive her, Father God. Please forgive her, because Wet Hole is not a song for really meds in your head, you know, while praying, you know. God will see you. God will see you. But viewers and subscribers, you see the power of Alkaline's music, how it's stuck in the medulla, how it's stuck in our people head when them listening more than one time. Like me hear another woman say she listened to the album 20 times. I'm like, holy shit, cha God. But viewers and subscribers, we want to think something wrong with her. She need to cleanse her mind. Let me know what you think in the comment section.
So, after listening to Alkaline's album for about 20 times, and as a data girl, my top 4, I must say, like, that goes really, really hard, because there's a lot of songs that I like, but that goes really, really hard. Masterpiece, Our World, Gonna Blast, As a Matter of Fact. Come here though, Alkaline. Because, like, what do you mean come in a cup, drink it or chase it with liquor and ice? Are you serious? We have people doing that in, like, the regular world. Like, for real? You serious? People do that? Marry her. Marry whoever that is. She's a superhero. She's a superhero. Marry Little Miss Nasty. These girls be nasty.
Only hear that for yourself, ratted. Jaja God, viewers and subscribers. But Alkaline, I represent for mockers them, you know. Alkaline has always been that artist who represent for society. He's always representing for the youths them. When you remember when Alkaline say, Lord, me make me live my life. Get to you to have a dream. One work and make the money so come in. And I make nobody tell them nothing. Tell them about the mother. Nobody know why you come out to nothing. Do not fear to be yourself. So Alkaline I tell them, say, mockers be on yourself, do what you want to do. He might represent for mockers. Alkaline has always been that vivid artist who represent for society, and I can respect that. He always sing the things that were out there. He may not perform it, or may not do it, or it may not happen to him most times, but he always sing the things that were out there in our world. And enough time people take away my say as like to say, I himself, he always sing them about. No. I want going out there in a real world. Man, I sing about some things where enough artists even afraid for sing about. Enough artists even afraid for put certain things in our song. So Alkaline, I put him pen to paper. I write him lyrics then because he's a artist, he's a poet. And him know how to put words and lyrics together for formulate good, great songs. So a song like Y'all Good, a song like Wet Hole when I say certain things. Yeah, dog, most of the times I want to go on out there in the world where I sing about. And I can respect Alkaline as an artist for that, because he has a vision, him know for write music.
When Alkaline say, I want to sing, I want you to understand when girl good. My dear, I mean, my talk, girl clean like a whistle. No HIV, no gonorrhea, no syphilis, no germs, girl well healthy. Yeah. Girl could have never go beard and a man say, babes, I have to beard back. I smell something. Girl well healthy. Girl sweet. Girl clean. No John of the day. Well shaven and nice. Yeah, you could have eaten another too. Right true. Girl clean. Girl good. Alkaline big up you. You bust my secrets.
Hold on the mama, what you say? Are you Alkaline a sing about Bumbucklead? Yo, viewers and subscribers, wanna make sure look out, you know. You see for that summer, yeah, every girl are gonna be a good girl. Every girl a good girl. Yo, mama I say she Alkaline a sing about. Yo, every girl a say the same thing. Yo, make sure on a lie on tell so on a good girl in the cause. Yo, viewers and subscribers, you see girl good gonna lead in a Jano.
Don't mind my hair because I just woke up. But can somebody tell Alkaline to have another concert in the UK, please? Like, hello. All of these snaps of him in NYC is getting me a bit jealous. Like, babes, come to London. Come back to London. Everyone who went to the concert last year knows how good and unforgettable it was. Like, come back, babes. Part two. Part two.
Yo, somebody reach out to the DJ's management team and make them know, say, yo, the fans them in the UK, them are crave for another concert. Alka, the fans them in the UK, them say they want another concert this year, you know. Yo, please make it available for them, cause it look like them can't manage without one right now. Them get jealous off of the other concert them where them see a go on, and how the crowd are go on for the artists. You see worse, the album just drop and it a create one whole heap of impact in our space, a problem. So the DJ need to make sure say, yo, UK get a concert this year. Jaja, God.
A Alkaline a every ghetto youth, biggest motivation. Bob Marley ever tell you this? Fi learn you never too small nor big. Principle that I will grow with. No pussy test man clot up his zig. No fi move, no fi live.
I'm not going to compare Bob Marley to Alkaline, but musically viewers and subscribers, when you check Alkaline's catalog, you know, some of him conscious songs them. Him have some traits, you know, man. Him have some Bob Marley traits in him. So musically, Alkaline and Bob, yeah, when you talk about the conscious music them, an inspiration for youths are Alkaline right now in other new generation, yeah. And that's why them fight him so much, you know. Remember, them usually fight Bob Marley the same way now because of him greatness. Them fear greatness, and that is the thing. A great man is never yet crowned in his own country. A great man is never yet appreciated in his country. You have to go out there to really make it. And over the years, Alkaline been a put out conscious and positive music for the youths them. Always uplift the youths them, which is why I'm saying 23 with a motivation for the youths them in a fast. So when you check Alkaline's conscious catalog, some of my music them, not talk about the raunchy one them, but the one them where you can meditate, like impact. What we are gonna do, Ghana way, motivation, whole heap of conscious song if you check your catalog. Yeah man, you see some Bob Marley traits, but as myself viewers and subscribers, in my opinion, you know a man might feel a way, or a man might say, yo, a blaspheme, or whatever, but yeah bro, in my opinion still so. When you make me know what you think in the comment section, when you think say, what me I say make sense about Bob Marley and Alkaline, where the brother say, Bob Marley ever tell no youths if you learn you never achieve small or big. Bob Marley tell youths whole heap of things still, I'm not going to say name. But as I say, I'm not going to really compare the two artists. But when you check the conscious catalog of Alkaline and his traits, you will see Bob Marley traits, man. So I see the clippings there with a lady here, and she has said she has been an avid Vendetta fan from day one. From 2012 time, where you have songs like "I Feel I Hit This," songs like "Proof," and all those other songs from Alkaline from way back then, viewers and subscribers. So she said she's been an avid Vendetta fans way before all of this glory start come Alkaline's way, and she's been proof that Alkaline was going to be this big in a dancehall for a long time, and she stand by his side as a fan, knowing that with all the fight where DJ get, she still never falter, she still never turn her back on her artist because she knows say, yo, the artists are going to overcome all of the fight and all of the tear them we are coming with because him are the proof, him are the truth. So viewers and subscribers, listen to what Mama have to say.
Most of y'all just started hearing about an artist named Alkaline. And as an avid alcoholic Vendetta lady from 2012, I had to step in to say this. I love that you guys finally understand what quality dancehall music sounds like. But before the fad begin, let me take it back a little bit. I see some people on here, oh, I've been an Alkaline fan because he sold out the Barclays. Step to the back of the line. Where were you in 2012 with songs like It This, Fake Friend? When we say we take it deeper than the music, you see this? Ever since I've been able to customize a card, I've been better, okay? Now that that's out of the way, let me really explain and break down to you why man himself means so much to us alcoholics. I grew up in circa Jamaica, 89, early 90s. And all the artists I knew went against my lifestyle, spoke about women horribly. After they impregnated them, their belly was long, stretch mark, they didn't want them, all sorts of things. In come Alkaline. Never in my life experienced, because you have to experience it, experience an artist that made me want to live. I mean, more than just the boogie yaga, nursery rhyming, oh, this match this. I mean music with depth. I remember days when I wanted to give up and leave this earth. And there were songs like Motivation, or I want it fast. Those were the songs that led me to start my business. I remember when I was dying, it was man himself that released songs that said, you can heal, you can keep going. Even though it wasn't music related, the lyrics literally saved my life. And I remember for years in Ubers, in parties, and then a lot of these people now playing his music. It boggles my mind because there was a time when they wouldn't even play him. The whole dancehall fraternity was against him. And I remember for years going into avenues where I had to not defend him because he didn't need defending, but I had to speak good on his name to explain to people that he represented us, the underdogs, the ones who didn't born into families with funding, the ones who had to start our businesses by ourselves and live lives with whatever means we could have just to try to do better. When the man said 10 years from now, where will I be? That became the mantra to my life. So when you see us acting a little crazy or when people say we should be studied, I can remember my wife going into chat rooms, into groups, whatever you want to call it, and saying, you have to organize like this. You have to move like the beehive. We have to come together. Those are the parts they'll never see. And I mentioned it to give her props. But anyway, I remember him being one of the first artists who said, lesbian girl, me nah go this she. He was one of the first male artists that made me feel safe, that acknowledged that rape was bad. Not the only, but one of the first ones that prevalently spoke against abusing women. And I could see the love for his mother and his sister and his nieces and women. Not a disrespect, but a love. And if anyone that knows me speaks to y'all will tell you, you cannot play anything other than Alkaline in my car as a dancehall artist unless you're with him, right? So if you don't support him, you're gone. Again, getting back to the point, I say all of this to say I want the newcomers to really appreciate him. Listen to his music. Go back. Understand why we're not just fanatics. Understand why he means what he means to us. Because he's going to be jumping up everywhere and everybody's going to see him and Alkaline, and I love that. I'm so glad he's getting his moment. We need you to understand that this is not a now thing. This is not an in the moment thing. This man has been saving our lives for years. When other artists only discarded and disrupted us as women and talk shit and had us beefing against each other, he came out and showed us a profound love for self. And with his lyrics, in the variety that it comes in, you could go from understanding a meditation to knowing when a time for rings off somebody's head to just being calm, owning your shit and knowing, listen, I am where I am because of my actions. And one of my favorite lines is when he said, if you're not meds nothing, you don't know that go. Because there were plenty times whenever they are meds nothing. And it was those lines that, not like a guilt trip, but like a higher conscience, came in and reminded me, Monique, you have to decide what you want to do and you have to move forward with it. And no action with faith is death. So enjoy him. He's amazing. But I need you to know it's deeper than the music. And I know to the way I come. Alright? Love. Most of y'all just...
Damn, Mama has been a day one fan from a longer time, man. Jaja, viewers and subscribers. Yo, Alkaline have more woman fan than man fan, you know. He have a lot of female fans than man fans. But as me always telling you, Alkaline sings about reality and a make-believe. Him songs them about reality. And him put it to art. Him sings about the songs them. Him sing about the things them. Where I go in the reality, your mama tell us say, yo, she is him, she got away that she a lesbian still. But viewers and subscribers, dancehall and a gospel yard. Dancehall and a church yard. So the artists them all sing about everything we go on out there in our real world. And Alkaline is a true example of that. Him not sing about no superficial stuff. Him lyrics them always make sense. Anything when put to paper, it always makes sense, viewers and subscribers. I want to know. Dancehall work already. You have to part negative and part positive. So Alkaline is a full package. Him sing conscious music. I want to know the raunchiest songs them and the raw gunman lyrics where dancehall crave for most time. Because all these years or a couple of years ago, Alkaline been a sing motivational song, positive songs, but what? The fans them a talk about them one, but the whole Alkaline, the raunchy Alkaline, will say anything on the care. See them give on the bucket now. I'ma see a few people a ball, but I don't know where them a ball for. It no ask back for you know. But viewers and subscribers, Alkaline is a true artist. As him say, him a part negative and part positive, like the battery, Alkaline battery. So, Alkaline definitely a real true entertainer, a real true musician. Put pen to paper, write good music. Music will stand the test of time because we see it. His old songs are still some top tier songs right now in nice space. And the fans them are resignate and I sing out them true at all and I sing out their lungs when Alkaline go a concert for perform. So yeah, his old songs still I make waves. It's still a connect. So the fans them, the new fans them still a gravitate to him.
Right now, Alkaline secure this summer. Alkaline secure this summer. You see the song when name Girl Good? And the summer song that. Me no hear no song for passy right now. 2 songs we are going to run for the summer and a Girl Good and the one when Massacre do when name Bossy. Me never expect say a Uno Vibes Cartel a run the summer. That one I never did see. Right now, Gaza fans very disappointed, you know. They are very disappointed because oh, it feels for no say. The same man who no say lazy, nah, do no work, this, that. Me no see no song right now if go round, Girl Good. Would that dumb if me no talk? You think I lie me I tell? Ask the girl them. Show me a cartel song right now we do in a 2026 we can go round the song with Alkaline drop on him album we name Girl Good and make me see if cartel have a song we are going to run this summer over Alkaline song Girl Good. Show me that song there. Alkaline have his summer lock already with that song there we name Girl Good. Believe when me tell you that. And we not even have to talk about graduate. We need to talk about graduate. We don't need to talk about that one day. This summer look serious. And tell you what, a Alkaline Avi.
Anybody else who want the summer right now, have to go work overtime because Alkaline have it in them pocket lock. All I ladies them want to see how them are going for Girl Good. I want to see how the thugs them are going for graduate. Yeah, a anthem that for the streets. Graduate, shoot fi kill dog, we shoot fi kill. No lily boy can't tell man fi bill now. Quick fi boof ya show yo we skill car. I saw the killer them go on now. We no fear man shell down your hands. Any guy a try ya gravel and cement and we no in no long argument cause. I saw the killer them go on dog. Alkaline of the summer lock. So anybody who want a piece it need to go work overtime. No song in a space right now, no big like Girl Good. Better yet, no song in a space right now carry more buzz. Now go with more buzz than Alkaline's Girl Good. And also graduate a go on with itself also. Girl Good there, number 1 in almost about 10 different countries. Viewers and subscribers. Girl Good off of the NPT album. Yeah, people may talk and say, oh, this and that, and it too raunchy and it too nasty and red. Dog, dancehall and a pity party, dog. Dancehall and a blood clean churchyard. Dancehall and raunchy raw music. It has been that way. So Alkaline have a space right now. The hottest thing in that, yo, the man, Girl Good song just knock over the whole blood clean WYFL rhythm, even though the WYFL rhythm did not take time dwindle down. The hype did not dead out. And from the album drop, viewers and subscribers and new rules in our Barclays Center, Alkaline just take with the blood clean business in him and run down with it. The man run down with it. So right now, somebody have to go drop a song bad like Girl Good or better than Girl Good. That me I tell you no.
You know I go and like say the only song on Alkaline album is I one thing I want them to understood. When Girl Good. We know that. When Girl Good. But one to the song where your dog say, oh, big whoring girl, but me fuck out your hole, spread it open, girl. Kick up your bumbo clad choking, yeah. Yo. Bro, we can't wait till you catch that song there on TikTok.
Yo, now the same artist this them say fall off, Alkaline. I see them artist this so them a say fall off no. Yo, Alkaline a giant dog. Uno can't mark him. It's like a ball upon a ball field, a big top striker. Uno can't mark him. I tell you no, uno can't mark him. Alkaline a giant in a dancehall. Him can easily forward back and take a place by storm. Alkaline just a do what him a do normally. And it a work for him. Who can do what Alkaline a do right now in his space? Alkaline just forward back and take by the place from everybody who claim to say I them a run the place, I them a the hottest thing. Simple and plain, easy enough to hackle up himself. Viewers and subscribers, Chaja God. One Alkaline dog, one key man.
Yo, me say if when me go Alkaline me here play, me tap on bar, me hear my ring so on 6 Alkaline before me left. Me go somewhere else, Alkaline. Me there somewhere else, Alkaline. Everywhere me go, I just Alkaline me here to play. Dog take over 2026, and it's just the facts.
Any moment, no. One. Any moment, no. Panther son real with it. Them can't do it, how we have to deal with it. Panther.
Dummy on the beat, so it's a bang.
Hey. Panther, we take a phone call, we take a one picture, but we can't take the fakeness. But I hide and talk, everybody don't know. Panther son him are the greatest. Promise to the synthetic here and the chain where them rebel know them are the fakest. When I hide and talk, everybody don't know. Panther, them want compare, we am like how he would deserve an apology right now. Through them make a money, them feel say them I know. But look how much record we set that we never hype out none. A couple car where we never drive out. Couple been in at the count, we just a find out. Pussy stop your chat before me knock your lights out. Man I call on me now this matter but this a my house. All little bumbo clot young lad. Remember when them say Panther can't run yard. Laugh we laugh, we show you them a some fraud. Them don't know what them a say we boss up and in charge. Hey, start from we band, that's not a facade. Gyal suck mood, a gyal give me a massage. All over the world with the Panther son large. And we tell every killer what they in a we entourage.
So that's a Panther Sound dub played by Alkaline viewers and subscribers. Yo, Panther Sound, that dub there bad. Yo, pick on the side dub by Panther, Jaja God. Viewers and subscribers. Yo, you know what going on. Vibes and Inside with Nando, you know. I will be catching you guys on another episode. Hope you enjoy the vlog. You know it go a mad thing. Peace. I'm out.